So this is the continuing development of our Space Invaders clone called Space Invaders. And in the CircuitPython Parsec today, I wanted to show you adding scoring to our Space Invaders-like game. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and restart code there, get that running. And there we got a little splash screen. This is running on the Sharp memory display and a Feather board. I think it was the RP2350 or RP2040. And here you can see I've got a different controller plugged in today, but it's the same sort of thing. This is over I2C using the little Wii Chuck adapter. And I've now got some text up in the upper corner there that just shows us the score. So you can see here as I start shooting aliens, you're going to get 10 points per alien. I know this is not actually accurate to the original game, which had higher point values for the upper row, I think was 30, and then the middle rows are 20, and the bottom couple rows are 10. So just to keep it simple for now, I'm just giving you a 10 point per alien that gets shot. So how does this work? If you look in the code here, here's the additions from last week's code. I've got terminal IO, which I'm bringing in so that I can use this sort of period-appropriate font. I like the terminal IO font for this. And then I'm setting up a variable for score to track the score. So I've got score initially at 0, and then the score per alien value I'm just setting to 10 for now, so we don't have to distinguish between the different aliens. Then I'm creating this text label. Score text equals label. Terminal IO font is the font we're using. I write the word score, and then I have this placeholder here for the score value, which is initially 0, color, position, and scale. Then in the main loop, when we're doing the same detection that we did before of does the projectile overlap with an alien, if so, then we're going to hit it. We're going to run the little animation of it getting blown up. You can see a little animation there. Then we're also going to add to the score. So the way we do this is we say score plus equals the score per alien. So for now, that's always just going to add 10. And then we change the score text.text to be score dot and then this score variable that we've just incremented by 10 in this case. And that just in each cycle of it checks to see if we've hit something, go ahead and add 10 more to the score. As you can see here, I've not yet added any sort of collision detection with my ship, so I can never die, which is nice and low stress in these trying times. Kind of appreciate it. But even while they're overlapping me, I can still shoot them and get that score to increase. And so that is how, in CircuitPython, we can add scoring to the Space Invaders game. And that's CircuitPython Parsec.